In today's electrified world, our homes buzz with the energy that powers devices large and small. But hidden within this vital network is a silent threat: the power surge. A fleeting spike in electrical voltage, occurring in mere milliseconds, can have devastating consequences, rendering our valued electronics useless. From lightning strikes to fluctuations caused by heavy duty appliances, the origins of power surges are as diverse as they are common. Initially, these surges might not be noticeable, but over time, they can significantly diminish the efficiency and lifespan of our gadgets. As we delve into the nature, causes, and subtle initial impacts of power surges, we prepare to defend our homes against this invisible adversary. Stay with us to uncover the havoc wrought by power surges and, more importantly, learn how to safeguard your sanctuary. In our interconnected world, the havoc of power surges strikes deep, disrupting lives with sudden and unforeseen losses. Picture a tranquil evening shattered by a surge, leaving appliances damaged and serenity broken. Through the experiences of homeowners and electrical engineers, we're offered a glimpse into the emotional and financial devastation caused by these electrical tempests. The unpredictability of power surges brings home the reality of potential loss, from irreplaceable digital memories to essential business infrastructure. These stories underscore the need for awareness and preventive measures, painting a vivid picture of our collective vulnerability to these natural forces. Yet, amidst the ruins, there's a beacon of hope. Insights from experts guide us toward recovery and prevention, showing that simple steps can fortify our homes against the fury of power surges. As our exploration of power surges concludes, the imperative for prevention becomes clear. Armed with knowledge and the appropriate tools, we can shield our homes and precious electronics. Experts advocate for proactive measures such as installing surge protectors in UPS systems, which serve as both safeguard and assurance, maintaining our digital well being. More than devices, it's our daily practices that enhance our defense. Unplugging during storms, routine electrical maintenance, and recognizing warning signs of system stress. In adopting these habits, we do more than deter power surges. We secure our peace of mind and the safety of our dwellings. Embrace this knowledge rich lifestyle where the harmonious blend of safety measures and awareness cultivates an environment of security and resilience.